In this video, I'll show you the top 7 digital products that you can create using AI. And some of these products have the potential to earn you a passive income of up to $20,000 per month. One of the biggest benefits is that you can create the product once and just get paid for it multiple times. For the same product, what if I told you that AI could help you create these products quickly and easily? Yes, that's right. Also, I'll show you how much money in sales you can expect to make from each product, as well as how to create them. So I'm your skill builder and let's get started. The first idea on our list is creating cliparts. People use cliparts for their presentations, website designs, social media, and so on. These images are added to make projects look visually appealing. You can create a variety of clipart images, such as icons, cartoons, and more. Also, you can sell them online and earn a good income from them. And before I show you how to create clipart, first let's see how well these clipart images are selling online. So to check the clipart images which are selling online, there's a website called Etsy, where you can buy and sell digital products. So just click the link below this video, and it'll take you to this website. Now search for clipart, and you will find different clipart images that people are selling on Etsy. Just choose one. And here you'll find the name of the seller. So just click on it. And here you can see the total number of sales that they have made, and also the clipart images which they are selling. Once you know how well these clipart images are selling, next let's see how much revenue is being generated from these clipart images. To find that out, just click the link below this video, and it'll take you to Product Flint. Now to see the revenue of this shop, go to Shop Analyzer. Then copy and paste the shop name here. And click search. Here you can see that we have got all the information about the shop, and here you can also see the gross revenue they have made, which is $32,000 in 1 year, which comes down to $2,666 per month. And in the same way, you can find out the sales of other shops and even other digital products. Now that you know how much money can be made selling clipart, next let's see how we can create clipart images. To create the clipart image, so just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. Now go to Image Generator. Then here you can generate your images. Now there are 3 methods to generate the clipart. The first method is by describing the type of clipart you want. Here just type how you want your clipart to look like. Then here we can choose a style for our image, whether we want it to look vivid or natural. I'm going to select natural and click Generate Image. And within a few seconds, you can see that it has generated the clipart image, and it looks great. Similarly, you can generate different kinds of clipart images just like this. Now let's look at the second method, which is by using pre-made examples. Since we want to generate cliparts, just choose this clipart option. And here you'll find different styles of cliparts that you can generate. Just go through them and select the one you want. I'm going to choose this one. So just click Customize Prompt. And you can see we have got the prompt, which can generate this type of image. Now all we have to do is just replace the text, which is given in the brackets, according to the type of clipart that we want to generate. So let's do that. I'm going to ask it to create a clipart of Superman in Chilby art style. Then change your style to natural and click Generate Image. And as you can see, we have got the clipart image like we asked for. So this is how you can create cliparts using remade designs. So let's say you want to get more unique clipart designs. You can work with an AI assistant to create unique clipart designs which no one has created before. So to do this, let's see the third method to generate image prompts, which is by using Gravity Writes Chat option. So let's go to AI Chat. Now to create unique designs, you can ask the AI for an image prompt for the clipart. So I'm going to say, create an image prompt for a clipart image of a fish, like Nemo, in the style of a 2D cartoon. And as you can see, we have got the prompt. Now we can use this prompt to generate the image. So to do that, let's copy the prompt. Then go to the image generator and paste it here. Then just select the quality to HD, change the style to natural and click Generate Image. And as you can see, we have got a clipart image and it looks good, right? So this is how you can use the AI chat to create unique clipart images. Okay, so these are the 3 ways in which you can generate images, and once you have created the clipart image, you can see that we have a white background on the image. Now when you sell clippers to your customers, it's better for your image to have a transparent background. This is because when people try to use your image on other backgrounds, it'll show the white layer which looks bad. But when we remove the background of the image, it looked like this, which is so much better. So remove the background. We have built a background removal option in Gravity. Right, so just click on the background removal option. And you can see that the background has been removed. So now if we download the image, you can see that it doesn't have a background image. So this is how you can remove the background from your image. Similarly, you can create different types of clip art for people to add their posters, websites, invitations, and more. Once you create a clip art image, next let's make money using these images. Now, there are a few places where you can sell your images. The first one is Etsy. Etsy is a popular online market where you can sell and purchase digital products. So go ahead and create your shop on Etsy. Now Etsy might not be available in certain regions. In that case, you can use Gumroad to sell your digital products. Okay. First, let's see how to sell your images on Etsy. Once you have created a shop on Etsy, to sell your images, click on Shop Manager. Then click on Listing and click Add Listing. Once you reach this page here, you need to upload your clip art images, which will be shown as a preview to the buyers. So let's upload them. I have added a poster image of my clip art. Then enter all the details about your clip art. And then make sure you select digital as your product type. After that, enter the remaining details about your product, including the description, price, and tax. Once you have done that, next, you need to upload a clipboard images for your customers so that they can easily download the images as soon as they complete the purchase. So let's upload the clipboard images. Similarly, if you have created more clip art images, you can add them here. Okay. Once you have uploaded the images, review your listing and publish it when it's ready. So now if you go to Etsy and search for fish clip art, you can see that we have got a clip art. So this is how you can sell images on Etsy. And similarly, you can sell any digital products on Etsy. Next, let's see how a customer can purchase and download the clip art from Etsy. So to purchase this image, the customer can just click on the image, click Add to Cart, complete the payment. Once you have purchased the image, you will get this page where you can download your clip art. So let's click on download and it will be downloaded. And you can see that we have got a clip art. So this is how customers can purchase your images from Etsy. Now that we've seen how to create and sell clip art images, let's move on to the next digital product that you can sell, which is coloring worksheets. Creating and selling coloring worksheets is a simple and effective way to generate income, as they have high demand in schools, daycares, and preschools. Here you can see some of the sample designs. This shop has sold more than 25,000 of these and made $112,000 in just 2 years. Now let's see how we can create coloring worksheets. To do that, let's go to the Gravit text image generator tool. But just like we did before for clip art, you can use any of these 3 methods and create your own coloring sheet. This time I'm gonna use the premium examples. So to create the coloring worksheets, let's go to Arts and Drawing. Then scroll down and here, you'll find the option to create the coloring book images. So just click on Customize Prompt. And you can see we have got the prompt. Now just like we did before, we just need to replace the text given here in the brackets. So let's ask it to create a coloring worksheet of a baby elephant. Then make sure you change the style to natural and click Generate. You can see it has generated the image and it looks really cute. And once you get the image, you can download it and sell it on Etsy. With these simple steps, you can create and start selling coloring worksheets using AI and start earning a passive income. The next digital product that we have on our list is wall art. Putting up wall art is one of the easiest way to make spaces look better. It can transform any space, making it more appealing and lively. Whether for homes, offices, or public places, it can turn a boring wall into something beautiful to look at, and you can easily make a lot of money selling simple and elegant wall art designs. Like this one, here's a shop which has made 18,663 sales selling vintage style wall art. And for years they have generated an income of $138,000, which is around $2,800 per month. Now to create your own wall art, just go to Gravity, right, then go to Arts and Drawing. Scroll down and here, you'll find different types of wall art designs. You can pick the one you want. I'm going to choose vintage art. So to create the wall art, let's click Customize Prompt. And as you can see, we have got the prompt. Now let's go ahead and replace the text given in the brackets. I'm going to ask her to create an oil painting of a woman and click Generate Image. You can see that we have got the image of a beautiful oil painting and it looks really stunning. So let's download it. And once you've got the wall art, Instead of presenting it to your customers like this, you can add them to mockups to make them look attractive. Just like this, and when customers see this, they will be able to better visualize how your design would look in real. There's an online tool called Smart Mockups, where you can get instant previews for your designs. With a variety of customizable mockups available, you can effortlessly visualize your design and increase your sales. So simply search for Smart Mockups and click on this link. Now select the object you want. Now since we want to create mockups for the wall art, let's choose frames. Then here, choose the one you like and upload your wall art. Now you can download it and use this image as a preview for your wall art on Etsy. So this is how you can create mockups and showcase your designs. Okay, now you know how to create wall arts. The next digital product that you can sell is patterns. People purchase patterns from Etsy for many different reasons, like fabric design ideas, wallpapers, or gift wraps. For example, check out the shop called Old Market. And they are already close to 1 lakh in sales and have a gross revenue of about $380,000. In 12 years, that's about $2,600 per month. That's incredible, right? So let's see how you can create patterns like these. Just go to Gravity Right and click on Patterns. And here, you'll find different pattern designs to choose from. Now just select the one you want. I will go with this one, so let's click Customize Prompt. Now instead of the text in the bracket, just enter what type of pattern you want to create. I'm going to ask you to create a pattern with some daisy flowers. Then choose the style as natural and click Generate Image. And there you go. We have created a pattern design with daisy flowers. Once you have the design, you can download it. And then you can add it to your mockup, like you did before for a wall art. You can see this pattern looks fantastic on a pillow. In the same way, you can create different patterns and add them to mockups. You can also create patterns for wallpaper, banners, clothing, and so much more. Okay, so this is how you can create patterns. The next idea that we have on our list is t-shirt design. Now this one you might already know, as it is quite popular among all ages, from teens to adults. You can easily create and sell different t-shirt designs of anime characters, or quotes, or any other designs that are trending. Creating and selling custom t-shirt designs is one of the easiest ways to make money. For example, check out the shop, which has made over 1 lakh sales and has earned around $6,10,000 in just 3 years. That's an average of $16,944 every month. So let's see how we can create t-shirt designs like this. To do that, we're gonna use another amazing tool, which can generate high quality images with text. Just click the link below this video and it'll take you to Editable. And here you need to enter what type of t-shirt design that you want to generate. I have asked you to create a design with the quote, "Be cool, have fun." If you want to enhance the description, just turn on this magic prompt option. And finally, just select the aspect ratio you want and click Generate. As you can see, we have got 4 different variations of the design, and the text is also looking great. You can select the one you like, then click here and download it. If you want, you can also regenerate the image by clicking here. Also, Smart Mockups has great mockups for t-shirt designs, which you can use. Just upload your design there and get amazing mockups like these. Okay, now you know how to create t-shirt designs. Now, apart from creating t-shirt designs, another high-demand digital product that you can create using AI is wedding invitations. And nowadays, people have started creating and sending invitations online to their friends and family. So there's a huge demand for designs that people can easily download and edit however they want. And you can create invitation designs, templates for weddings, birthdays, and other special events. For example, I found a shop called Forever Print Design, which has around 14,000 sales on wedding invitations, alone making them around $141,000 in just 2 years, which means they've earned around $5,800 per month. So let's see how we can use AI to create a design for a wedding invitation. And like we did before, let's go to Ideogram. Then enter the type of wedding invitation that you want to create, and also mention what type of content you have in your wedding invitation, like the name of the bride, the groom, the details about the wedding. Then select the aspect ratio and click Generate. These designs look really good. You can select the one you like and download it. Okay, so now we have created a wedding invitation. Next, I'll show you how to make this invitation design editable. so that when your customers purchase your design, they can easily edit them and add their own details. So just click the link below this video, and it'll take you to Canva. Now quickly log in with your Google account. Then you will get this page here. Search for wedding invitation. Then click on this plus icon, then go to Uploads. Click here, upload the wedding invitation. Now to edit the wedding invitation, just click on the image and it will be added here. Now to make it fill the screen, right, click on the image and set the image as the background. And now you can start making changes to the invitation. So let's say you want to change the names of the bride and the groom. So all you need to do is click on Edit Photo. Then click on Grab Text option. Note that you can only use this feature if you have the Pro version of Canva. And you can check out their paid plans by clicking here. Okay, let's click on the Grab Text option. Now here you can either click on the text, which you want to make editable, or you can make all the text editable by clicking All Text. I'm going to click on All Text. Click Grab and it's done. Now we will be able to edit the text easily. To do that, let's select the text you want. Then enter your own text and it will be changed. In the same way, you can change the other text. Next, let's see how customers can get an editable link to this design after they make the purchase. To do that, we have to create a template link in Canva, which will let them duplicate this Canva design and then edit it. So to create the template link, click on Share. Then click on Template Link. Click Create Template Link, and the link will be created. Once you have created a template link on Canva, let's go to the next step, which is to make the link available to the customer. We are a period of document like this. Now when someone purchases the design, they will get this PDF file with the link in the template on Canva. So I've created this document for my customers. And if you want to create a similar document, you can get it by clicking the link in the description below. So let's click on the link. Now copy this document, just go to File. Click on Make a Copy. Once you have copied the document, next, we need to add the editable link of the design to this text. So let's go to Canva, copy the link, and insert the link into the text of this document, like this. Once you have done that, next to add this document to Etsy, we need to convert this document into a PDF file. To download this document as PDF, just go to File, then go to Download and click PDF. As you can see, the PDF has been downloaded to our computer. Now you can add this PDF file to Etsy. So this is how you can create and sell wedding invitations. Okay, next let's see the final idea on our list. It is one of my favorite and the most profitable idea. That is selling business cards. For many professionals, having a business card is important. It's a quick and a professional way to share contact details and boost brand visibility. As a seller, you can create custom business cards for your clients and sell them on Etsy. The best part is that you can create customizable templates once and sell them repeatedly. Buyers, on the other hand, can download the design templates and edit them easily. Over the past 8 years, this shop has sold over 2 lakh business cards, generating around $2.2 million in revenue, and an average around $21,000 per month. That's actually a huge profit. So let's see how to create them. Let's go to Ideogram and describe what type of business card that you want to create. Then click here and select the aspect ratio. For business cards, we need to select the aspect ratio of 16:9. And once you have done that, click Generate and you can see that it has created for different business card designs. You can select the one you like and download it by clicking here. Now to make this business card editable, just like we did for wedding invitations, you can use Canva to make the business cards editable so that customers can easily edit the text and add their own details. And then you can create the template link. Copy it and attach it to the document like we did for the wedding invitation. Okay, this is how you can create custom business cards and sell them online now that you know how to create these popular digital products. So that's it guys, these are the 7 amazing digital products that you can easily create using AI and start selling them. If you guys like this video, do give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, God bless you.